Ugly Christmas sweaters aren't just a holiday tradition, they're also a fun way to let your DTF business profit. You've seen them before, intentionally over the top, bright, colorful, usually adorned with exaggerated holiday imagery. Ugly Christmas sweaters are fun, about showing your Christmas spirit, and people are buying these every year. Have you ever made one? With direct-to-film, it's never been easier to capitalize on seasonal offerings around the holidays. So whether you're thinking about starting a printing business or already an established operation, this is a great time of year to cash in. Comment down below what designs you're making this Christmas season. With DTF, we're talking any color, any fabric, any type of ugly. Follow along as we make our own today. Now before we get into it, I cannot stress enough how profitable seasonal products can be in the DTF industry. Offering niche apparel can be a needle mover for your business, especially coming out of a dry spell. Seasonal products create a sense of urgency. Customers understand they have a limited time window to acquire these unique designs, and that urgency can drive sales. Offering unique designs on versatile fabrics or even hard product surfaces can be a great way to not only retain clientele, but also maintain our profits. Lastly, seasonal products introduce a great opportunity for the upsell. Matching t-shirts, sweatshirts, pajamas. Heck, direct-to-film applies to virtually anything, so our possibilities are going to be nearly limitless. Now we have our Prestige R2 Pro already fired up and ready to go. What do you say we go make some? The traditional ugly Christmas sweater is usually made with a crew neck sweater, like the Smart Blanks 103 crew neck. It is an 80/20 cotton poly ring spun yarn lightweight sweatshirt, and it's got the tearaway label for easy branding. Comment down below where you get your blanks from. Kittle has loads of awesome templates that are print ready and available to use, including ugly Christmas sweaters. So that's where we got the file for today's project. Now if you're new to the channel, DigiRip is our go-to rip software for sending print jobs. And as usual, we can drag and drop our graphics into the software. Now we'll size them out for printing, and in just a few clicks, our print job's underway. For today's project, we're going to be operating with the Prestige R2 Pro. Now this 13-inch desktop direct-to-film printing option is going to be available by itself or as a bundle setup with all supplies, ink, and accompanying equipment, everything you would need to run hands-free production. Let's go ahead and send some prints. Because our garment is mostly cotton, all of our normal quick glide settings will apply. We're gonna press this at 300 degrees Fahrenheit for about 10 seconds with a medium pressure. One more press for 5 seconds to seal it in. What do we think? Would you wear this sweater? Comment down below if you would, and we'll pick one lucky viewer to send this to. As you can see, this sweater took minutes to create, and because we use direct-to-film, this will easily last me 50+ washes without showing any sign of wear. Now, how much would we charge for something like this? Marketing is going to be a big part of any printing operation, so I ask you, where are your customers? As 2024 winds to a close, they're probably on social media, so let's start there. A social media holiday campaign with seasonal hashtags can be a great way to let your customers and your future customers know about your limited time offerings. We mentioned earlier how seasonal designs can create a sense of urgency. Why not drive this narrative further with limited edition designs? And lastly, timing. We want to start early so we can capture the attention of those holiday shoppers and let them know about your offerings on all your different platforms. And always have to keep an eye to the future. By the time the holiday approaches that you're currently marketing, we should already be preparing for what's up next. As a clothing brand or a printing company, it's easy to see the positive impact that seasonal items, like the ugly Christmas sweater, can have on our operations. And from the marketing to the manufacturing, this is all likely familiar territory and things you're already doing all year round. If starting a business like this sounds interesting to you, but you're not sure where to get started, go ahead and click the link down below to connect with a friendly representative. And don't forget to comment if you want to win this ugly Christmas sweater. That's pretty much going to wrap it up for this one. My name is Esteban. We're All American Print Supply. From all of us here at All American, happy holidays.